Okay, ready to go?
Yeah.
कुछ लोग लिख कर अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, कुछ पेंट करके, कुछ बातें करके, एंड सम पीपल जस्ट मूव. Can movement be a form of art? How do you channelize bodily kinesthetic energies? What does it mean to be in body flow? And why is mindfulness important? More importantly, is it hard for individuals from small towns to pick unconventional careers? Welcome to Voice of Achievers with me, Yashika, as I sit down this morning to discover flow, movement, mindfulness, and understanding our body and her energies via our passionate guest today. Preeti Acharya is the founder of FitQ and practices and teaches yoga and animal flow. Born and raised in Jamshedpur, इन्होंने सारे बॉक्सेस को चेक किया है, like completing engineering from BITS, a corporate job at Cisco, yet that hunger for more, कुछ और चाहिए जिंदगी से, juggling a full-time job and similarly and consecutively finding her feet with yoga and finally quitting to do the things that give her meaning. She's a certified Ashtanga yoga teacher and animal flow instructor and has conducted innumerable workshops, training corporates, army camps, and athletes across various disciplines. She facilitates training by incorporating various yoga disciplines, drills, body weight, and flow exercises. She calls herself a movement artist. और हम समझेंगे इनसे ये है क्या. But according to her, yoga unleashes the power within by connecting your mind with actions. Welcome to the show. So happy to have you, Preeti.
Thank you so much. But आपने इतना सारा कुछ बोला है, मैंने कभी realize ही नहीं किया. And I was like, is that me? That's a lot.
So that's something that most people tell me कि अरे इतना सारा आपने बोला ये सब मैंने किया है.
वो I don't know if you are a Zakir Khan fan. I am. I just I watch his stand-up comedies, and I remember his very famous when I met a Delhi girl, and like the conversation was like, the girl said something to him, and he was like, अरे ऐसा तो मेरी माँ ने भी मेरे बारे में कभी नहीं बोला.
अच्छा तो चलो ठीक है, मैंने कम से कम अच्छा तो बोला.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to be here. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. आज संडे सुबह सुबह है और मुझे बात करने से ज्यादा if I'm a teacher, so of course I like to talk and preach, not preach, but I like to share my experiences.
Sure.
And talking is something that I love. ऐसा मेरे पापा भी बोलते हैं, इसको बैठा दो बात करने के लिए और ये 24
Don't
घंटा
worry, हम बहुत बातें कराने वाले हैं आपसे. But शुरुआत.
So I'm very excited.
I know. I sense that. And don't worry, हम बहुत बातें करवाएंगे आपसे. But tell me, why is movement a form of art to begin with?
अगर हम किसी भी आर्ट की बात करते हैं, आप पेंटिंग ले लो या इवन साइंस, जब हम मुझे याद है जब हम फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री पढ़ रहे थे 7th 8th ग्रेड में, और उसके बाद जब एप्लीकेशन होने लगता है साइंस का 11th 12th में, तो वो साइंस नहीं रहता, आर्ट बन जाता है. इट्स लाइक यू आर लर्निंग ABCD अल्फाबेट्स एंड देन यू लर्न ग्रामर एंड देन यू लर्न टू make sentences and then you become a poet or a writer. Right. So becoming a writer or a poet is an art. Yeah, that is an art. Learning ABCD is still science, I would say.
Right.
So similarly, movement, you just learn to, what should be the muscle activation, how to, move your arm. ये जो डांसर है या एथलीट है, हम क्रिकेटर की बात लें या फिर हम डांसर्स की बात लें या फुटबॉलर की बात लें, हम सबको यही सिखाते हैं कि फुट ऐसे करो, या इस तरीके से तुमको फुटबॉल किक करना है, इस तरीके से तुमको बैट घुमाना है, इस तरीके से तुमको डांस फ्लो करना है. So all these are signs,
Right.
and they all learn it, and then after a point it becomes the art, how they apply the science. And because though cricketers kabhi bhi ek jaisa nahi khelte hain, they have their own form. Yeah.
True.
So
Yeah, that's a beautiful point. Yeah.
yeah, so similarly, like if you take yoga or if you take animal flow, you take any body weight exercises, they all have, they are different bodies who have understood the science, but they have different forms, they have different perspectives. So an artist, like, you know, if you are training 10 painters, ते 10 बच्चे अगर हैं आपके पेंटिंग क्लास में, आप 10 को सेम चीज सिखा रहे हो, but after certain point they would become like very different kinds of artists. So
Very.
similarly movement का जो science है वो आप सबको सिखाते हो, but after a point it becomes an art. The expression is different, the way they feel the movement is different. So I think it's equally an art.
I think it's maybe
Yeah,
maybe from what I understand is that it's more after a point, after you've learned the craft, it's more personality driven and what expression
personality.
you give it.
Yeah, you give it. Yeah, correct. Like आप अगर I'm not sure if you are into yoga so much, but if you would see the shape of the same asana on different bodies look different.
Absolutely.
Okay,
Yes.
because
Yes.
big yeah, because it's the expression.
Hmm.
It's how they feel about that particular asana. If it's how they feel about that particular movement, it's their expression.
लव दैट. मुझे एक बात बताओ, जब हम एक्सप्रेशन की बात कर रहे हैं तो what were the initial thoughts and what was the initial time like when you actually thought कि there is a form of expression that I have with respect to my body? Like what were your initial years like जब you were figuring things out कि this is how I like to express myself the best?
मुझे जब से याद है, सो आई माइट बी 9-10 years old. तब से मुझे याद है कि मैं टीवी खोल के और मैं डांस इमिटेट करती थी. और बाकी हाँ, मैं डांस इमिटेट करती थी टीवी खोल के, क्योंकि और कोई ऑप्शन था ही नहीं, कोई एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, कोई इनकरेज करने के लिए उस टाइम पे नहीं था. सो आई जस्ट रिमेम्बर दैट आई लव टू इमिटेट जो हीरो हीरोइन का डांस होता था वहां पे, एंड घर में ही ऐसे अपने भाई बहन को दिखा करके, अरे तुमको ये स्टेप आता है कि, एंड नोबडी वाज इंटरेस्टेड बिकॉज माय हाउस इज लाइक फुल ऑफ इंजीनियर्स एंड टीचर्स एंड ऑल. तो मतलब शाहरुख खान कैसे डांस कर रहा है हमको क्या मतलब है, वो बस आधे घंटे के लिए टीवी देखना है एंटरटेन करके, एंड दे यूज्ड टू फॉरगेट. बट दैट स्टेप यूज्ड टू बी इन माय माइंड इवन व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग मैथ.
Okay.
So this yeah. So वो मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा चल रहा होता था और मेरे घर का environment ऐसा था. And but my mom now tells me that even when I was like 5-6 years old and I used to see a heroine वो towel बांध करके they used to dance and I used to do the same thing. So now I feel that probably I was born for it.
Yeah, but you spoke about your mom telling you that तुम ये बचपन में करते थे and now my mom tells me that. एक बात बताओ, इनिशियल डेज में या इनिशियल टाइम्स में when you were supposed to be picking your career, how
Yeah.
was it with respect to the family? Because you said you come from a family that has engineers and that's very academically driven. So was it hard to even express that मैं इस फॉर्मेट में कुछ करना चाहती हूँ?
It was almost impossible. ऐसे काट के रख देंगे तुमको.
चुपचाप इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ो, वरना निकल जाओ हमारे घर से.
इंजीनियरिंग दो ही ऑप्शन है तुम्हारे पास, डॉक्टर बना है इंजीनियर बना है, पिक कर लो.
अरे बाप रे बाप.
तो मतलब मुझे ऐसा था कि यार प्लीज ऐसे डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर मत बनाओ, उसको छोड़ करके मुझे थोड़ा तो यू नो even when like I wanted to go for hotel management, because वहाँ पे ऐसे ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि there is some art involved in it.
Sure.
आप किस तरीके से guest को treat करते हो. So I love to work on individual basis. I love to connect with individuals.
Right. Yeah.
So even if I'm serving somebody, so I feel that that moment, like only I and the other person would know कि हमारे बीच में क्या energy transaction हुआ.
Absolutely.
Nobody else would feel. Yeah. So when I'm serving, so that's my form of, and I have a thing for people who not serve us, but hospitality के लिए. Like even if when I see waiters, I have a real connection with them. When they serve me food, I feel it that, oh wow, like ऐसा मम्मी के अलावा और किसी ने नहीं किया होगा हमारे लिए. So I have that kind of respect. So I wanted to do the same thing because I have a feeling. So I wanted to go for a hotel management. And why? What? You want to serve people? तो तुम घर में तो आज तक तुमने हमको खाना दिया नहीं. तुमको ये प्रोफेशन करना है. I wanted to become an air hostess because उस टाइम पे अभी एयर हॉस्टेस का इतना क्रेज नहीं है एंड इट्स अ लाइक वाइड एंड ओपन platform, but उस समय ऐसा होता था you have to look this way, and I wanted to look that way. I wanted to feel that about myself, that people look up to me, they want to have, they inspired by my body.
Right.
So I wanted to work for it, although now I don't have definition for like good body or bad body because I have outgrown that. But
Right.
उस समय एक 17, 18, 16, 17 साल की लड़की का ऐसा था कि okay, this is the kind of body, this is the size and shape I want. Yeah, I should have. If nobody else, I should have. I want to have that. And that is like a definition of good body for me. So I wanted to, and air hostess का हमको लगता था ठीक है हीरोइन नहीं बनने देना है ना, प्लीज एयर हॉस्टेस बने दो मुझे. नो ठीक है मुझे नेवी में जाने दो, वहां पे कुछ तो मैं अपने बॉडी से काम कर पाऊंगी. नो डॉक्टर और इंजीनियर. तो तब मैंने समझ लिया कि
आपको ये पता था कि मुझे अपनी बॉडी के साथ कुछ
बॉडी
करना
से
है with my
करना
career.
है.
तो यू पिक
Yeah,
करियर्स की अच्छा ये करूं नहीं नो सो दिस तो
नहीं
नो
वो ये या नो दिस. हाँ तो मुझे ये पता था कि like so the first thing like that came into my mind and as a child I grew up with this inferiority complex that I don't look good enough. So my sister is very beautiful, and it's very sad that your own relatives will have that comparison thing that oh your sister looks very beautiful, and then that gives a kid that feeling that probably I don't look good enough. And I throughout my teen age I struggled with that feeling. So probably kahin na kahin wo prove karna tha that I look good enough. Yeah. So I always used to struggle with that feeling कि ठीक है चलो भगवान ने शक्ल तो जैसी बना दी. I cannot change it, but I can totally have a body that everybody would aspire to have.
Okay. But
so
that how do you deal with that insecurity, and how does that play along with respect to your career? Because it's something that many households witness, where comparisons happen with siblings, comparison happens with relatives or people,
neighbors, relatives. हमेशा होता है, हमेशा
होता है. With respect to academics होगा, with respect to how you look होगा,
yeah,
respect to careers हो सकता है. There are so many things जिससे comparison होता है, जिसकी वजह से what do you carry, and what do you how do you outgrow that?
Outgrow करने को I would say बहुत time लगता है. So as a child or as an individual, मेरा first step था to prove them wrong. If they said that I don't look good enough, I wanted to do everything that I felt that is in my power to look good enough. Yeah, so I started to work upon my body. I started to work taking care of my skin from a very early age. Like I remember like 12, 13, I told you, academic driven tha, and I used to take care of my skin. Ki acha ye, and thankfully like मेरे घर में जो culture था, that was like very much organic driven because we came from village. तो ऐसा कॉस्ट, और उस समय इतनी लग्जरी भी नहीं थी कि जाकर के कोई एक्सपेंसिव स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट खरीद लो. So I started to learn a lot about what you can do सस्ते में. So I learned a lot about how you the kitchen products like your daily ka dal chawal, these things would help your skin. Right. So, and then I learned, like, now I know, I do so much Ayurveda and stuff. So now I know what you cannot eat, you should not apply. And probably now when people come and ask me what is your skincare routine, तब मुझे लगता है कि ठीक है, वो जैसे भी वे जिस वे से भी channelize हुआ, I learned something. So all these challenges and hurdles and all these things, they are a part of your personality. अगर शायद वो नहीं होता तो मैं ये सब नहीं सीखती. But I think I'm not sure whether you have to go through that challenge to become what you become, or there can be a nicer way. Yeah, क्योंकि कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि criticism and all these things, they are
that with you.
Yeah, you carry the heavy weight, and probably that is the moment when you want to explode and you decide to outgrow. I'm still not sure. वो ऐसा होता है ना, मुझे ऐसे फाइटिंग सीक्वेंस याद आ रहा है कि एक से आप फाइट कर रहे हो, नहीं हो रहा, 10 आ गए एंड यू आर एकदम ऐसे बीच में दबे हुए, एंड देन यू डिसाइड कि अभी एक्सप्लोड, यू डू अ फ्लाइंग किक और समथिंग, एंड देन यू आर आउट एंड अप.
बिल्कुल.
सो आई एम नॉट श्योर कि अभी अगर मैं अपनी ही लाइफ के बारे में बात करती हूँ तो ये सारी चीजें थी. एंड एज अ किड माई चाइल्डहुड वाज हार्ड बिकॉज आई एम अ सेंसिटिव पर्सन. आई फील एवरीथिंग. So किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया या किसी ने कुछ कर दिया, I do feel it in my mind and in my body. I used to be a deep person in my thoughts. तो लोगों को ऐसा लगता होगा कि अरे ये बोला, ये खत्म हो गया. But as a kid, I used to feel it.
Yeah.
And it used to be there in my mind and in my body for a very, very long time. And उसको डील करते 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 so I'm not sure. हाँ,
you use your body movement to sort of channelize
body movement. हाँ, कि वो channelize that कि, and I really like that thing. वो पहले भी काम करता था और अभी भी काम करता है. जैसे बच्चों पे इतना पढ़ाई का हम स्ट्रेस डाल देते हैं और उसके बाद उनको आधा घंटा देते हैं खेलने के लिए कि go out and play, do whatever, कैसे भी मूव करो, and just when they come back, see how how cheered up they are.
Right.
और मुझे वो फीलिंग बस याद है कि जब मेरे पेरेंट्स बोलते थे कि ठीक है जाओ खेलो, और मैं वापस आती थी तो मेरा लगता था कि ठीक है यार, अभी कितने भी मैथ्स बनवा लो मेरे से, मैं बना दूंगी.
मुझे तो ये वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स कैसे करें? और ये बच्चों को तो चलो आप बोल सकते हो कि छोटे बच्चे तो चलो ये तुम्हारा खेलने का टाइम है, जाओ खेल लो. बट हाउ अबाउट when you are
exactly I was coming to that.
What if you are
I was yeah, I was coming to that only. So I feel we grow old because we stop playing. वो इनहिबिशन होता है कि अरे अब हम जाकर के बच्चों की तरह नहीं खेल सकते. तुम्हारी बॉडी चेंज नहीं हुई है, तो तुम्हारा माइंड थोड़ा सा इवॉल्व होता है, बट वो चेंज नहीं होता है. अभी भी उसको फिजिकल मूवमेंट से उतना ही रिलैक्सेशन मिलता है. सो इफ वी कैन जस्ट मेक अ कल्चर जहाँ पे you can go out and play without judging yourself or without being judged by others, I think life थोड़ी सी easy हो जाएगी. Like that's what I do. I go to the ground and I just play alone.
Right.
Many a times. And मुझे ऐसा लगता था, या पहले मेरे आसपास वाले लोग बोलते होंगे,
What does one play alone?
I would just monkey bar होता है बच्चों का, so I would do that. I would just jump, do whatever, like it's all movement. And every time you're doing something, you're learning. So you're you're like climbing up, you're jumping from one place to the other. इसको थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा fancy way में हम लोग parkour बोल देते हैं.
Okay.
So that I started to learn. Yeah. So, but yeah, it's the same, like, what would you play? Like, you'll jump from one place to other, you'll roll on the ground, you'll roll on the, like, this is why you have to, define the play. It's free.
Yeah, I think probably there is a prejudice in as we grow up ki the fact that the inhibitions that one cannot move in a certain way, या हम कैसे move करें मतलब when
Yeah,
you're a child then it's not
yeah,
much a problem because it's just so free flowing, but maybe
yeah.
if you grow old there are so many other things in your mind that you feel that now what do I do unless it's defined for me.
It's defined. Like somebody has to teach you to move, dude. You born to move.
Yeah.
And अभी मतलब मुझे अभी ऐसा लगता है like, when a child he falls, so you tell him, no, you're stronger, come on, get up and do it again. जब बड़े कोई गिरते हैं, you laugh on them. Why that?
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
हम खुद ही उनको ऐसे बोलते हैं कि नहीं, you are no more a kid. But if you can keep that child like spirit alive in you, I think life is easier. उसको इतना complicate करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. So if you can just take out that half an hour, 1 hour time कि अभी हो गया, जितनी भी मैनेजर की बात सुनी थी सुन ली सब करके, it's my play time.
Wow.
It's my playtime. I'm gonna go out, play, whatever, just express whatever I feel. Stress है, anxiety है, जो भी body movement सब बहुत कुछ ease out कर देता है.
अब ये बिकॉज ये स्ट्रेस और इन सब की बात आई है,
Hmm.
एक एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी टच्ड अपॉन दिस वेरी लाइटली अभी कुछ देर पहले. देयर इज दिस
Hmm.
स्लाइट बिट ऑफ डिफरेंस बिटवीन कॉन्शियसनेस एंड अवेयरनेस, एंड
Yeah.
by this I mean ki one you're conscious about your body or the way you look or the way you want to look, versus that you're aware that this I need it for my mind, or I needed to exalt all the negative energies, or I need it for expression, or I need it just for cheerful play. What is that difference or the line of difference one should know or understand between bodily consciousness versus bodily awareness? Like, what would you have to say to that?
So what I understand from your question is एक body awareness, like you are aware of your body, and by consciousness, is that what you mean, that somebody, it's the it's
Externally,
the it's
इसको
from outside.
yes, 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 yes.
It's from outside. Yeah. So I feel mindfulness plays a very important role here. Is the definition of a good body is your desire, or has it come from outside?
Okay.
Like if somebody asks me what I want to become or I want from myself, I want a body which like,
Can't, can't,
and my movement should look like.
can you hear me?
Can you hear me now? Is that okay?
नहीं, अटक रहा है आपका वीडियो. मेरे ही वजह से अटक रहा है या आपकी वजह से, ये नहीं समझ पा रही हूँ.
Oh, um,
I'll
फिर
change.
से,
No, 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 no. I'll change. Don't. I'll change my internet and see.
Cool. Yeah.
Okay, resumed. So yeah, we were
Yeah.
talking about
Yeah.
bodily consciousness versus awareness, and which one is better, and what do we need to have?
Yeah.
Why is when do you know it's internal versus when do you know it's external?
I think mindfulness plays an important role here.
Huh.
For example, ये बॉडी अवेयरनेस के बारे में नहीं है, ये किसी भी चीज के बारे में है. लाइक इफ यू आर गुड इन एकेड्स, इफ यू आर good in whatever you are doing in life. So, for example, just being an engineer or just scoring uh, 8 GPA I'm happy with that. But if I'm forced that no, you have to score 9 GPA, you have to be a 10 pointer in engineering because someone else is doing that. Look at him. So that's like, it's then whatever you do is you do to prove somebody else. It's like seeking validation from outside.
Got it.
And that is probably not a very positive feeling. It's not a positive emotion. Whereas when you feel that मेरे को रिकॉर्ड सेट करने का है, मेरे को 10 पॉइंटर लाने का है, मेरे को 10 पॉइंटर बनना है लाइफ में, so it's self driven.
Got it.
When and then there is, even if you fail, you have nobody to prove to. You're free to fail. You are free from any kind of obligation कि किसी को प्रूव करना नहीं है. मैं it's just a practice and I'm just exploring कि मुझे करना था. And the way your approach also towards achieving your goal would be different. उसमें stress नहीं होगा. You would be excited to do that.
Yes.
You would be excited to do that. You'll put in your 24 hours, 1000% effort to achieve that, rather than अरे पापा ने बोला कि 10 pointer बनना है तो I have to do this, I have to do this. आपका जो sentence है, आपका जो thoughts है, वही change हो जाएगा. From I have to do this, you start speaking I want to.
Yes.
I want to.
Yes.
And that changes a lot. So if somebody else has defined how your body should look like, कि अगर मैं ऐसी दिखी तो ही मैं मॉडल बन सकती हूँ, या मैं आर्टिस्ट बन सकती हूँ, या मुझे बॉयफ्रेंड मिल सकता है.
Good one.
True. Like this is if when people ask me, is aesthetic important for you? It is important for me, not to prove it to anybody else. When I look myself in the mirror, I should look like a piece of art. Art again is defined by me.
Right. Absolutely. Brilliant.
That art, otherwise, whatever shape or size you become, like, earlier, like 2 years back, I used to be a little chubby. There were people who used to like my body. There were people they used to say कि थोड़ा scope है lose करने का. Now that I'm ultra thin and I'm almost like, but to me, I look good. I look muscular. I look, this body is more functional. I'm more efficient in my body. I can jump higher. I can do things. So this is the aesthetics I like. When I look myself in the mirror, I like, oh my God, तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इतनी सुंदर थी.
Good one. Tell me, because हम flow की बात कर रहे हैं, ये what is animal flow and how does that translate into just understanding your body better, or what is flow in general? Talk to us about flow. What does it mean to you?
So, my yoga practice is quite old. Like I started practicing yoga because that was the only form of exercise I could do. I explored when I was staying with my parents. So I started practicing yoga when I was 13. And so if you would see, there is जो ancient yoga practice है हमारा, you get into an asana and then you hold it for like whatever number of breaths. ये हमारा ancient traditional yogic practice होता था. And I kept practicing it, the same thing for like more than a decade. And उसके बाद you also feel कि now what, like abhi I want to explore something else, my body wants to explore something more
हाँ.
than this. And then I was introduced to Ashtanga Vinyasa flow, that I later on went and I pursued that thing. So that is more of a flow, like it's like a dance, you don't stop, like it's just you don't stop, you stop for a while, like 5 breaths, and then you move on to the other asana, and there is this defined flow. So I was introduced to that, and I practiced that for like again for 5 years. And then I met my teacher, Mr. Mark Roberts, and he explores, he himself explored different disciplines. He did not limit himself just to yoga practice. And all these, most of the things that I started to learn came from him. So in yoga practice, also, we mock animals, we mock things around, right? Like there is a lot of, we mock tree, we mock dog, we mock cat, camel, jo bhi.
Right.
And then I was, there is this, so mocking animals has been like a part of me because of the yoga practice.
Right.
And then this animal flow discipline came into picture, and ऐसे ही Facebook वगैरह पे, internet पे ऐसे ही animal flow, this thing, it does this, it can benefit your body like this way, ऐसे ऐसे आता internet पे. And then I just saw, and it felt quite interesting. So yoga में जो भी चीजें हम करते हैं, most of the things are passive. Like you take support of the floor, जैसे split भी किया है, so you have the support of the floor a lot, like massively. So the active range of motion is not explored so much. Like if you can split on the floor doesn't mean you can split in the air, because splitting in the air is like active range of motion. There is no support of gravity there. You are in fact working against the gravity. Whereas yoga mein, so in yoga there is a lot of, and then after that I started to learn what are the shortcomings of yoga practice. It's a good spiritual practice, but when we see just the asana practice, it's not foolproof. It's not. So there is some more science that should be added to it when we just talk about the physical aspect of it. So then the muscular activation, क्योंकि पहले जो था ना हमारे योगा practice का intention ही different होता था. People used to be so physically active that the yoga practice was to calm their nervous system down, calm down, and that's why most of the things used to be passive. That would calm you. But now, since it has become a like very active physical practice, लोग योगा के अलावा और कुछ करते ही नहीं है लाइफ में शायद से. So then it is not foolproof. You need something more to it. And then animal flow came, and in that, like everything is just active. There is like you don't stop, you just keep flowing. So, and then that was the time I had just started practicing my handstand. So you need a lot of strength in your wrist, in your forearm. So then I learned that it can be trained. It can be trained. ऐसे जब मैंने अष्टांगा practice शुरू किया था, तो you had to be on your arms for 1.5 hours. And उस समय मेरे wrist में pain होता था, मेरे forearms were not strong. And this thing gave me this perspective that you can train yourself. Your arms can be the foot of your body. Your palms can be the foot of your body. It can be trained. So it was just the mental thing कि हमको ऐसा लगता है कि हम पैर पे ही खड़े होने के लिए बने हैं, but तुम actually हाथ पे भी खड़े हो सकते हो. It's the mental challenge that I chose to overcome. And वो एक होता है ना कि आपका एक टारगेट होता है और उसके लिए आप जान लगा देते हो करने के लिए. So
got it.
So my teacher, he himself is a big fan of handstand, and it's like teacher, like student. If he is doing a backflip, मेरे को backflip, I was inspired to learn a backflip, and I learned backflip. He is big fan of handstand, तो मुझे handstand सीखना था. So I started, और उसके बाद मुझे then you figure out कि क्या चीजें नहीं हैं. You start accumulating the science that would help you to have that art. तो फिर मुझे लगा कि मेरा रिस्ट इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं है, मेरे फोर आर्म्स नहीं है, तो क्या क्या कौन कौन सी फन चीजें मैं कर सकती हूँ, विच इज बिकॉज फॉर मी इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव जॉय इन माई लाइफ.
यस,
तो मुझे बोरिंग तरीके से नहीं करना है. आई इट शुड फील लाइक आई एम गोइंग आउट टू प्ले. तो क्या क्या चीजें हैं, एंड फिर ठीक है हम प्लेफुल वे में सीखेंगे, 2 साल नहीं 3 साल में सीखेंगे. ठीक है.
lovely. You spoke about energy sometime back and you said कि energy बहुत important है मेरे लिए और मुझे बहुत matter करती है. I feel it in somebody else.
या
जब मुझे कोई सर्व भी कर रहा होता है या जो भी, मुझे I feel it, and this is
या
something that most of us encounter in colleges, in the workplace, wherever we are with people. We feed on energy. Tell me, is there other ways that you would suggest that we could build on the energy?
Okay, so my approach in life, पहले मुझे सिर्फ ये ऐसा लगता था, but over the years, I have become more sure, and this has become a way of my life. You feel in your body. जो हम गट फीलिंग की बात करते हैं ना, कि मुझे गट फीलिंग आ रही है, यू नो देर अगर आप किसी चीज के लिए एक्साइटेड हो, ठीक है, तो you feel that kind of vibe in your body that oh my god I'm so excited, I'm gonna do this. आपको फिर किसी और को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं रहती कि ये तुम करो, you know. And if your body is stopping you,
हाँ.
listen to your body.
Okay.
Listen to your body. So be it any, like, आप किसी भी फील्ड में काम कर रहे हो, और इवन इन लाइफ, अगर आपको कोई बोला जा रहा है अरे आज तो उसकी शादी है तो आज मुझे जाना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो मेरी शादी में आया था. बट इफ your body is stopping you, don't feel obligated, just listen to your body and stay back.
Nice.
Because even if you are going to somebody's shadi, you are not serving the purpose for him or for yourself. Because energy ना, ये एक ऐसी चीज है जो फील हो जाती है, ठीक है, वो हमें अच्छी शक्ल बनाने से नहीं फर्क पड़ता. हम ऊपर ऊपर से विश कर भी दें किसी को, हम अंदर में क्या है वो फील हो जाता है. सो इतना ऑब्लिगेटेड, इतना अपने ऊपर प्रेशर डालना ही क्यों है. अगर तुम्हें इंजीनियरिंग नहीं करने का मन है तो मत करो. तुम्हें the way we connected over, right? You said that, dude, I'm feeling like I'm half slept. I just want to crash. And I really like that. I like that openness कि अभी नहीं मन है काम करने का, मैं नहीं कर सकती.
Right.
It's not laziness. You're
Right.
not lazy.
Right.
You're just not, you just need time for yourself. So जब भी हम बिना मन के काम कर रहे होते हैं, there is a negative energy.
Lovely. Lovely.
Yeah, there is a negative energy and the work will not serve its purpose. ठीक है. कभी जैसे इंजीनियरिंग के टाइम पे भी हमको डेडलाइन होता था, हम 12 बजे जग के काम करते थे, बट उस समय ना एक प्रोजेक्ट होगा जब आप दिल से कर रहे हो, आपको एक्साइटमेंट होगा.
हाँ.
And you would feel like doing that.
Yes.
And that would serve the purpose for the company and for you. But ये obligated होकर के जब आप कर रहे हो ना, it's the project is failed. It's already failed. तो आप करके भी कोई मतलब नहीं है. उससे बेहतर है be authentic and communicate it.
Lovely.
So energy, so that's how, like, if I don't feel like, be it a shoot or be it even my class, if I feel like I'm drained and I need rest, going to the class will not serve purpose for my students or for myself. So I would just communicate it. So energy, and when you are in the right energy and when with the right person, like the other person is in that kind of energy, like the vibrations meet, the outcome is altogether of another level.
Right. That's
so rather than
what I was
forcing
coming
yourself,
to. Yeah, that's exactly what I was coming to. कि वो vibe, and there are times that in the workplace, even as a student, in general in life, जरूरी नहीं है कि हम हमेशा ऐसे लोगों से मिले जहां पर vibrations match करती हूँ. There
right?
you need to meet with difficult people जहां पर vibrations बहुत अलग हो सकती हैं, but you still need to complete that task together or the work together or a project together. ऐसे में क्या करूं?
ऐसे में एक लिस्ट बनाओ जिसमें कोई इंसान पूरा 100% तो खराब हो नहीं सकता है. तो उसकी कुछ कुछ तो चीज होगी जो आपको अच्छी लगती होगी. ओके, सो मेक अ लिस्ट of the things that you appreciate about the other person or about the job or about the environment. Okay, so and just feel excited. Now you know that ये करना ही है मुझे, इससे भाग नहीं सकते हैं. So if you want to give it a better purpose, feel excited.
At least
नहीं आ रहा excitement, but feel excited. Feel excited. Remember the good things about, and it's real. It is real thing that you list down the good things and you start revising the good things about the thing, and your feeling, your emotion about that thing would change. Your perspective about, yeah.
Does the fake it to make it work in this case? मतलब you try and you try and express that feeling, or you induce that feeling until you really start feeling that feeling. Like, does it work?
It is a real feeling. Yeah. So running, I hate running. I hate running. So when I from a yoga practitioner to
कोशिश करती हूँ, I hate running.
High five. So from a yoga practitioner, when I was turning into an athlete, everybody said that you have to run. And I just, as I told you, it's very, I take things very self-driven. So अगर मुझे नहीं पसंद है तो मैं क्यों करूं? But there are few things that you have to overcome just to grow as a person or in your field. And then this used to be my thing. Yeah, running.
Yeah, you fake it. You fake it until
you fake it. आज 5 rounds run करना है. So my teacher or my coach, whoever he was, when he used to, Preeti, आज 5 rounds complete किए बिना ना तेरे को आना नहीं है यहाँ पे. आने वाला, yeah, 5 rounds, only 5 rounds, okay, अरे अभी complete करते हैं. And so you just change your vibration, you change your energy towards it. But I would say उसके बाद भी अगर मन नहीं कर रहा है, just withdraw. You are not obligated. You do things when you feel about it.
Lovely.
So
yeah, tell me. You continue. You were saying something.
Yeah. So yeah. For me, when I went to parkour class, I had to train in sun and all, and my body doesn't respond. Like my body used to react when I am training in extreme environment, whether it's like cold or it's very sunny. मैं ट्रेन करूंगी धूप में आकर के, I used to be resting the whole day or maybe for next 2 days. And then this is what I learned about myself, and then I had to overcome that. So I didn't go to the class for next 6 months. I just started training slowly. अब एक बार माउंट एवरेस्ट पे नहीं जाकर के चढ़ोगे. You'll start training slow, right? So that preparation time is very important. And if ठीक है, हम अपने आप को मोटिवेट करते हैं कि माउंट एवरेस्ट पे चढ़ना है, जाना है, करना है, बट ऑल्सो प्रिपरेशन टाइम इज इम्पोर्टेंट. तो अगर हम मेंटली अपने आप को पुश कर रहे हैं, बॉडीली पुश कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद भी देयर इज एन एनर्जी व्हिच इज होल्डिंग यू बैक एंड सेइंग नो, इट्स नॉट गोना हैपन, आई एम नॉट रेडी, देन लिसन टू योर बॉडी, लिसन टू योर माइंड. कुछ नहीं जा रहा है, हम कल कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा.
Right. What are some of the things that, because you're a yoga practitioner and you're pretty much a businesswoman and entrepreneur yourself also. So this is your full-time job or your full-time business. You into this while this is also your passion. So tell me, what are the 2 or 3 things this has, your yoga practice or your movement has helped in your business or in your growth?
So when I started it off, I never thought that it would become my business. I started it as a freelancer और सिस्को की नौकरी छोड़ के हम आए थे, तो बस ऐसा लगता था कि योगा सिखा करके बस समहाउ अपना लिविंग भी हम बना लें तो इनफ है हमारे लिए। हाँ, काफी होगा कि उतना ही चाहिए, बिकॉज dude, Cisco pays you very well,
राइट
and your parents are comparing कि तू योगा सिखा करके will you be able to make a living?
राइट
तो सबसे पहले तो वो, और नॉट फॉर पेरेंट्स, अपने आप के लिए, फॉर मी इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट।
राइट
तो सबसे पहला जो टारगेट था वो वही था कि आई शुड बी एबल टू मेक माई लिविंग। बट आई थिंक व्हेन यू आर सेल्फ ड्रिवन, things happen. So I started to grow in my teaching, or I had a very good feedback and all. तो वो हुआ धीरे 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 धीरे। मेरी जो वो चाह थी टू बी एबल टू फेस द कैमरा, टू बी एबल टू पोज और टू बी एबल टू बी अ मॉडल, वो शायद कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी थोड़ी दिखनी शुरू हुई। ब्रांड स्टार्टेड टू कोलैबोरेट विद मी, एंड फोटोग्राफर स्टार्टेड टू कोलैबोरेट विद मी कि हम आपका शूट करते हैं, एंड आई लव टू फेस कैमरा। तो बस वो मुझे लगा कि अरे आई एम ऑन तुम कैमरा चालू करो, हम तो कब से, हम बचपन से तैयारी कर रहे हैं इस मोमेंट की।
हम तो माधुरी दीक्षित के मूव्स इसलिए प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं।
हाँ हाँ, हमने तो माधुरी दीक्षित के पोजेस प्रैक्टिस किए हुए हैं। तो these things started to happen, and there was a time जब मुझे लगा कि मैं सारी चीजें खुद से मैनेज नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई एम नॉट गुड एट एवरीथिंग, एंड आई टोटली फील कि जहां आपको लगता है आपको सिर्फ अपनी एक्सपर्टीज पे काम करना चाहिए, और जहां जहां इंटरेस्ट है वहां पे काम करना चाहिए। जहां आपको लगता है कि दैट थिंग इज लिमिटिंग यू, आउटसोर्स। सो इफ यू वांट टू ग्रो, ठीक है, आपका इनकम थोड़े टाइम के लिए कम हो जाएगा, बट उसको आउटसोर्स करो, आपका इनकम डबल फोल्ड होगा after some time. You have to be patient. So I started collaborating with people. My first collaborator was my husband only. So he started to take care of my like classes, inquiries, or अगर corporate projects अगर आ रहे हैं. So I'm a very bad manager. Okay, I may be a good employee. I'm a bad manager. I cannot, you know, मैं feedback नहीं ले सकती. These things are not. I'm the king. I'm not a मंत्री। तो तुम फीडबैक मुझको दो, मैं तुमसे नहीं ले सकती, एंड आई टोटली एक्सेप्ट अप फ्रंट मुझसे ये नहीं होगा कि मैं फीडबैक जाकर के नहीं ले सकती। मैं तुमसे दोबारा नहीं पूछ सकती कि तुमको हमारी सर्विस चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए, या नहीं चाहिए तो क्यों नहीं चाहिए। Like for me, since I feel that I'm an artist, so it's my way or highway.
Yeah.
My art is my art. Like if you like it, you buy it. If you don't like it, don't buy it. I would find myself other buyers.
Right.
So, but business में ये नहीं चलता है।
Right.
So I'm not a business woman. I would say I just collaborated with right people who could make business from my art.
Okay.
So then I collaborated with my husband, and then फिर हम दोनों से भी ऐसे नहीं चल रहा था, so I collaborated with another individual who's very good at reaching out to people or just responding to people, क्योंकि इतने सारे mails और feedbacks और brand collaborations के आते थे that I never bothered to you know reply to them, और ऐसे constant feedback मुझसे नहीं होता था। I'm just too busy. I love to practice, I love to play, so my training and my second love is teaching. मैं इन दोनों में इतना busy रहती थी, and if I wanted to hone something, I just wanted to hone these two skills.
Right.
मुझे इसके अलावा मुझे लगता था कि मैं वो करूँ ही क्यों जो मुझे पसंद ही नहीं है इतना। तो अगर तुमको ऐसा मुझ में पोटेंशियल दिख रहा है, तो you come, you collaborate with me, make business out of it.
Lovely. Love that. What is if there is one thing that this has really taught you, your years of yoga practice and your years of understanding your body and understanding your movement, what is that one thing that it has taught you?
So now that I feel I have been an engineer, and rightly said, so once you are in the game, you cannot just isolate yourself. So I am into business. Even if I have right collaborators with me, I am into business. I am a part of कितना इनकम आ रहा है, कहाँ जा रहा है, एनर्जी कहाँ से चैनलाइज करनी है, किस तरीके से स्ट्रेटेजाइज करना है चीजों को. आई एम इन द गेम.
Right.
Even if I'm not at the driver's seat, I am the shotgun. So I am to show the path कि ये करते हैं, ये करते हैं. So being a businesswoman or being a movement artist, I have been into academics and I have been into this. I feel if you haven't you reside in your body till your last breath. So आपको इंजीनियर बनना है, आर्टिस्ट बनना है या जो भी बनना है, if you haven't explored your own body, your exploration is still limited.
Okay, lovely.
So there are so many things that you would just learn. There is a constant mind game happening. ठीक है? So your mind is playing game and you also are a player. तो हम कई बार हम माइंड गेम में फंस जाते हैं, कई बार हमको माइंड को ट्रेन करना पड़ता है. So that you become the master and mind becomes the slave, you have to learn that game. And body helps you learn that game.
Lovely.
Body helps you so much because your mind somewhere it resides in your body, and it's a beautiful tool to explore the mind game, the life game. So I feel agar aap acads mein bhi ho, agar even if you are an engineer, it's important for you to play, to exercise, to explore your body.
Very interesting.
Then even your engineering will become an art.
Oh, Baba.
ज्यादा डीप हो गया क्या?
जब आपने इंजीनियरिंग को आर्ट बना दिया तो कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं रह गया मुझे. What is
So
it?
my brother,
Yeah.
my brother is he's the first ever student who went to Facebook from India.
Right.
I have seen his journey. I have seen his journey. वो IITian था, वो जो अरे ऐसे लोग जो होते हैं ना, वो पापा की एक्सपेक्टेशंस खराब कर देते हैं. तो उसका जो बेड था वो उसकी दुनिया थी 4 साल के लिए. And 9, 10, 11, 12, and he made to IIT. All India rank उसका 74 था. And when he was the first ever who got recruited in Facebook from India. वो पूरे हिस्ट्री में उसका हाईएस्ट पैकेज पड़ा था. तो पूरे ऐसे मीडिया वीडिया सब कुछ था. ही वॉज नॉट अ पोजर, तो उसके बदले हम पोज कर रहे थे, वो अलग बात है. बट I have seen him how much you have to put into your art. So for him, coding is not a science thing. For him, I learned from him. It's an art for him. वो जब कोड लिखता है ना, it's as beautiful as a dance.
This is so true. You know, you have actually, there is actually a research, there is a proper research where this researcher says that, you know, for you, painting may be art, or for the general public, painting or dancing or these things that we say call art, but for a coder or for someone who codes, uske liye those code languages are art. So
is an art. मतलब हम अगर इंजीनियरिंग की बात करें, अगर हमारे कोई इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स अगर सुन रहे होंगे, तो फॉलो क्वाइल लुक सबको सिखाया जाता है, ये साइंस सबको सिखाई जाती है, बट कब कहाँ पुट करके उसको ब्यूटीफुल कोड बनाना है, हमको भी थोड़ा सा आता है और याद भी है. तो उसको ब्यूटीफुल कोड कैसे बनाना है, ये एक अच्छा इंजीनियर, ये एक आर्ट है.
राइट.
जो एक आर्टिस्ट समझ सकता है. वो हम जैसे अगर लोग समझेंगे तो वो एक गंदा आर्ट होगा. इट वुड बी लाइक माय ब्रदर इज डूइंग एन एनिमल फ्लो.
Right. So true.
Yeah. So he's an artist. He's equally an artist, I would say.
Absolutely, totally. That's why I said, when you said engineering is an art, I rest my case there. I was like, ab kuch pooch hi nahi sakte. What does achievement mean to you?
Achievement, I feel when you know yourself and what is the purpose, what would be your message to, what would be the message of your life when you have just explored this, you're wise enough to know that, and wise enough to choose the things uh, that would serve this purpose. I think that is an achievement.
Wow, ये बहुत difficult है वैसे.
So I think you just have to, I think हाँ,
ये इतना आसान नहीं जितना लग रहा है.
ये तो मतलब you have to choose to do the tough job. आसान काम, आइसक्रीम खाना आसान है, जस्ट थोड़ा सा पैसे कमाओ, जाओ और आइसक्रीम खा लो, ये आसान है. बट यू नो जो जब हम आइसक्रीम अर्न करते हैं कि हम पैसे कमाते हैं, बट उसके बाद हमको कैलोरी खर्च करनी है सो दैट माय बॉडी इज स्ट्रांग इनफ टू डाइजेस्ट द आइसक्रीम एंड नॉट स्टोर एनी फैट, उसके बाद ये डिफिकल्ट काम है. सो इट्स योर चॉइस कि करना क्या है आपको. आपका इसके लिए मैंने ये मैसेज वर्ड यूज किया कि आपका मैसेज ऑफ लाइफ क्या होना चाहिए.
Lovely.
हम सब लाइफ जी रहे हैं, बट और सबकी लाइफ एक मैसेज होती है बाकी दुनिया के लिए. तो इफ यू आर एबल टू understand or just know the message of your life and you are able to put in the right resources, choose the right people to work with, I think that itself and as is an achievement. बाकी सब कुछ तो ऐसे वो ऑर्केस्ट्रा है, जो फाइनल म्यूजिक है हम सिर्फ वो याद रखते हैं, बाकी तो सब हम ऐसे ऑर्केस्ट्रा में चीजें ऐड इन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट भी चाहिए, ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट भी चाहिए और इस टाइम पे ये बजना चाहिए. ये सब बैकग्राउंड है, जो फाइनल जो म्यूजिक पीस है सिर्फ वही याद रहेगा. तो हमको फाइनल म्यूजिक पीस बनाना है, अगर हमको पता है कि ये म्यूजिक पीस बनाना है, तो दैट इज द मैसेज of our life, and that music piece is an achievement. So the message of the life is an achievement. बाकी सब तो हम टाइम काट रहे हैं, we are just putting in.
Beautiful. Couldn't be more thankful for your thoughts, for the flow conversations, for the stuff that you taught us about our body and our bodily awareness. So thank you for your thoughts. Thank you for being on the show, and thank you for being you.
Thank you so much for having me. I had a lovely conversation. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. Thank you so much for setting it up on a Sunday. And I'm very happy to have dressed up and all. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Usually, but I'm just in a sports bra and a short. So for a change, I did this. I'm just feeling just so good about myself. And then this conversation has been so flowy, so deep. I thoroughly enjoyed it. And thank you for asking the right questions.
Thank you. My pleasure.